Hello. I'm reflecting on the power of reminding ourselves every day. And what do I mean by reminding? Reminding means that we harness the power of our mind in service of our heart or spirit. And this alignment or coherence of mind with heart, spirit, and body is very empowering because it allows us to access this broader state of consciousness. We can call that light, energy, source, spirit, soul, or God. And the feeling tone of this consciousness is unconditional love, acceptance, joy, enthusiasm, creativity, peace, harmony, and unity with all life. And when we focus our mind in alignment with our heart or spirit, we are really able to access deeper states of creativity and fulfillment in our everyday lives. So allow yourself to harness the power of your mind in service of your heart or spirit. And reminding ourselves every day could take the form of various tools that allow us to access this soul space, such as starting the day off with appreciation, gratitude, thankfulness, meditation. Also, spending time in nature brings us into this beautiful, unified, coherent state. And many other practices that allow you to access this graceful and spacious way of being. When we harness our focus of our mind in service of the heart or spirit, we will become more balanced in our day-to-day lives, more resilient, and more receptive to that which is truly natural and life-affirming to us. If you find that you're knocked out energetically, physically, emotionally, then just allow yourself to soothe, to rest, to replenish yourself with those practices that again return you to your center, this sweet soul space. And so every day we have an opportunity to remind ourselves of who we truly are and to harness the full power of our mind in service of our heart. Allow yourself to harness your beautiful mind in service of your unique light or spirit and enjoy a creative and fulfilling path today. Have a good day.